2013 Panamera. I'm going to take out the BCM, put it on the bench, and make a new key. Obtaining information right now. Checking the pin, connection. All is looking good. I'm going to press continue. Continue. Okay. B-flash. Save it. Reading EEPROM D-flash. Original EEPROM save. Let's take a picture. Okay. So the original D-flash data file. Picture. CDB device power on. Alright, the nav key. We're gonna put that key, where is it? Put it in here. Okay. Destroy a D-flash. Take a photo of it. Key D-flash. Okay. Let's connect it and connect USB ICP back. Checking pins. Pin detection is good. Got the key number 3 on there. We're good on that. Clicking the chip. Running the EEPROM D-flash back on. Key completed. Please install the BCM module. Check the vehicle to confirm that the new key can be used normally. Okay. Save the log. We're good to go. Let's put the BCM back on. Check the key. So now that we have made the key for this Porsche Panamera, we're going to put back the BCM and we'll check the key if it works and everything is good. Okay, so BCM is in. Everything is hooked up. Right. I'm gonna get that key, put it in the ignition. Once it starts, there you go. Alright, we got the key for 2013 Porsche Panamera. Everything looks good. I'll check the key. Make sure everything works. Lock, unlock, front. That's the back then.